Chief Minister N. Biren has expressed that we must not only try to keep our state neat and clean, but we must try and extend cleanliness drive to the national level as well, and also stressed that we must adopt the path of non-violence and try to bring a political solution to the ongoing crisis in the state, which has been continuing for more than 16 months. The statement was made today in connection with the observance of National Cleanliness Day Swachh Bharat Divas at the Gandhi Memorial Hall, which is being observed on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, who is known as the father of the nation, who propounded and propagated the ideals of non-violence not only in the country but throughout the world. The observation was attended by Rajya Sabha MP Leshemba Sanajauba, Water Resource Minister Awangbao Nyumai, Social Welfare Minister Haikam Dingo, along with other ministers and senior officials of the state government. Speaking further on the occasion, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh stated that we all must contribute and sacrifice that we can for the betterment and development of our state and the nation as a whole. In reply to questions posed by media personnel, CM N. Biren expressed that they are trying hard to safely rescue the 2 abducted youths who are in the custody of the Kuki militants.
National Cleanliness Day. I will be again. Swachh Bharat Divas. I know. Mahatma Gandhi ji the Pamjaram ba Ahimsa Loyana Lubanan ba Bharat Bumba or state Manipur Bumba Lunanala Bumba New Vegi Vegi Wakal Dusu and clean the Wakalo needle here for the Mugime Sezama. It's a big man, the people ever me on the paper. See that famous you see. Si Ministra Moina Manipur mi am da the misida may am punama koi lektum basama to so amot kai sento yobi reherga lam simu lunana na binasi when I ahimsa da khajasi non violence